Welcome back in Meezan. This video is very important if you are buying AdSense or Ad Manager from the other account, or if you want to buy any of the Gmail from the other account, you must have to add your manager Gmail. So because if they hack your email back after getting money, so you can recover your account. So this video is important for you. I am adding a user in the Google Ad Manager of my email. So I have just added the user. So how you can do this? Open your Ad Manager account and click on the admin and then go to sales and authorization. Then go to the new user. Here you can click and you can add the name, and there you can add email, there you can add confirm, and make sure to add the role as administrator, otherwise you can't do anything once your email is held. So make your email as administrator. So I have added my email as administrator because I recently faced the issue that I have bought the ad manager, but they have logging back and remove my passwords and all of the recoveries. So what I have to do now, I am safe because I have added my email in the ad manager as well as in AdSense account. So I remove them from AdSense and ad manager. Now they have only email. So I have saved my payment and saved my websites from being hacking. So what I have done is the only strategy. I have added user. Now what I'm going to do, I have already removed them from AdSense, and now I'm going to remove their Gmail from ad manager as well. So what you have to do is, once you have added your Gmail as manager, to click on the email that they have had, and so now you can see that the status is active. What I'm going to do is I am going to inactive their status. Once they will be logging, they will not be accessible to my ad manager, my AdSense, or I am safe. So you can add user in your email. So this is a good strategy to save from hacking. So you can see that I have applied even my ID card for PIN verification, and they are trying to recovery and they're trying to hack back accounts. So luckily I have removed them and I have already added my users in accounts. So I have removed them from two of the accounts. So you can see that I can't log in this account now. They have hacked this Gmail back, but due to the user access, I have removed them from all of the accounts. Now they have only Gmail access. They have no AdSense and no ad manager access. They can't access my payment. So this is the important video. Thanks for watching.